In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD and we're approaching to overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we are in slightly positive MACD after dipping into negative territory, and as we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD as well and approaching back to overbought condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $24.82, and that is this range here, and that coincided with the 18-day moving average, this purple line. My sell target is at $25.69, and my stop loss is at $24.60. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $26.10. My sell target is at $25.05, and my stop loss is at $26.33. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 36% chance to climb between 0 to 2.5%. To the downside, it has a 36% chance to fall between 0 to negative 2.5%, and a 27% chance to fall between negative 2.5 to negative 5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.